If you're looking for the best graphic design courses on Coursera, this video ranks the top 3 programs based on ratings, reviews, popularity, certification value, and industry credibility. Before we begin, check the discount link in the description. Eligible learners can get 40% off the Coursera Plus monthly plan for the first 3 months. My number 3 pick is the Adobe Graphic Designer, Design that Demands Attention Professional Certificate. It has a 4.7-star rating with more than 3,100 reviews. You'll learn Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Express, Firefly, branding, logo design, layout design, and AI-powered creative tools. It's an excellent choice if you want an Adobe-backed professional certificate. At number 2 is the Graphic Design Specialization from the California Institute of the Arts. It has a 4.7-star rating with over 22,000 reviews. This beginner-friendly specialization covers typography, color theory, branding, visual storytelling, logo design, layout design, and creative thinking. It's one of the most respected university graphic design programs on Coursera. My number 1 recommendation is Fundamentals of Graphic Design, also from the California Institute of the Arts. It has an outstanding 4.8-star rating with more than 18,000 reviews. This course teaches the core principles of graphic design, including typography, color theory, visual design, Adobe Photoshop, creativity, and design strategy. It's the best starting point for beginners before moving on to advanced design programs. All 3 courses come from trusted organizations and teach practical skills used by professional designers. Whether you want to become a freelancer, marketing designer, or creative professional, these programs provide an excellent foundation. Instead of paying for courses individually, I recommend Coursera Plus. It gives you access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from Adobe, Google, IBM, Microsoft, CalArts, and many other leading partners. You can earn unlimited certificates while learning multiple creative skills. If you're serious about building a graphic design career, Coursera Plus offers the best overall value. Check the discount link in the description to see if the current 40% off offer for the first 3 months is still available.